Hi. My name is Moyash. It is 2021. And, while a lot of people already moved to Windows 10, I am one of those 0.3% who's still using Windows Vista. So, let me give you a preview of my Vista and the main programs installed on this machine. I bought this laptop in 2009. It is Dell Studio 1555 with Windows Vista Home Premium pre-installed. It is the main and the only machine I ever have. It is 12 years now, which make it the oldest friend I have at the present day. No day passed without dealing with this machine, either for work or entertaining. And it never let me down. After all of these years, I only can say it worked fine and made the jobs done. Of course there were some errors, viruses, both black and blue screens. But it got through all of that and it is still working. Beside, PC users used to expect and accept all of these kind of problems from Microsoft operating systems, including Windows Vista. As they say in Microsoft company, no one is perfect. I will watch that later. Now, let's explore more information about this Vista machine. This is how it looks. The original Microsoft theme. I know a lot of people miss this simplicity. Start button. Programs and places. My computer. Let's open system properties and explore some information. As you see here, Vista Home Premium Service Pack 2. Dell Studio 1555, rating 3.5. Not so much, I know, but it is enough for me. I am not a gamer. Processor Core 2 DU. 4 GB of RAM. And it is 64-bit operating system. Let's open system information. Has nothing more to add. BIOS version A6. I never updated BIOS for this machine. The interface as usual. At the right side, time, volume control, some hidden icons, and at the left side, Windows Start menu. Of course, along this 12 years, and to make things easy, I made my own customizations. Let me apply them first. Then, I will show you installed programs on this machine. First, let's hide desktop icons. For that, I'm using StarDock Fences version 1. It is a free software running in the background. Just double-click an empty space of the desktop, double-click to hide, and double-click to unhide. Very simple. Now, let's change wallpaper. I have my own wallpaper. Nice. Now, I never like this links area here. It's called navigation pane. I don't use it. I use some toolbars and dock software instead. So, let me hide it. Just uncheck that. Now, let me add some toolbars containing short links to some programs I always use. Right-click the taskbar. Toolbars. New toolbar. I made a folder containing some shortcuts. Let's select that. Here, it is at the end of the taskbar. Let's move it to the middle. And hide both text and title. Let's arrange these icons. My computer first. Control panel. Task manager. And yes. Let me add another toolbar. Nice. Now, as you see here, I opened just 2 windows and taskbar is getting full. So, let's hide text in the taskbar. For that, I use a tool called Taskbar. Just one click. Now, time to change the theme. I have my own one. Let me apply it. Just up and back. Perfect. Let's open some windows. My computer. Notepad. Calculator. Nice. Start menu. Let's move the taskbar to the top. Just hold and drag. And let's lock it to stay as it is. To make things easy, I will add another panel at the bottom containing short links of my most used folders and programs. For that, I use a free version of WinStep Nexus Dock. Now, let's see installed programs on this machine. AndyZip Archive Manager. FreeVK Virtual Keyboard. TotalEdit for documents editing. WriteMonkey as a writing application. BeagleGet Download Manager. And Torrent Downloader. These are some engineering programs. AutoCAD version 2010. Google SketchUp version 2014 for 3D drawings. And GStarCAD version 2016, it is more light than AutoCAD. For games, I have Chess and Spider Solitaire. In graphics section, I have a lot of softwares. The main are Inkscape version 0.48. Paint.net version 3.5. Picasa 3 as an image viewer. Real-world softwares. VLC skin editor to make my own VLC skins. For internet browsing, I'm using Firefox ESR version 52. And email client Thunderbird. To edit audio files, I use Audacity. A little bit of Blender for animation. Thundersoft Slideshow Factory. A great software and very easy to use to make slideshow from images. To edit videos, I use VideoPad version 2.4. I know, it's very old version. but it has the most simple interface than other versions. And the results are great. To play audio, I mainly use Foobar, the most lightweight audio player for Windows. And, of course, the main media player is VLC. Let me apply one of my skins. Close it and open it again. Here it is. I will upload some skins on my YouTube channel soon, so don't forget to subscribe to be notified. An Office section. Microsoft Office version 2010. It works fine on Vista. For PDF files, the main PDF reader is Foxit Reader. And to split and join PDF files, I use Very PDF Split Merge version 2.2. And a lot of customization tools. Nexus is the dock here. And Windows sidebar. It's still alive. I didn't open it for years. I use Faststone for screenshots. And both of Ocam and Thundersoft for screen recorder. This video is recorded by Thundersoft. And some useful tools. Of course, CCleaner. To clean the registry and keep the system as fast as possible. CPU-Z. Let's open that to look at the hardwares. Processor, Core 2 Du, 2.1 GHz. Motherboard, Dell. BIOS, A6. RAM, DDR2, 4 GB size. Graphics, just Intel chipset. ECS Partition Manager. And, of course, must have antivirus for Windows machine. Which is ESET Smart Security version 4. ESET is the most lightweight and powerful antivirus software. And the best for all Windows editions in my opinion. I have Linux Reader. To open my Linux partition in Windows environment, I have Ubuntu 20.04 installed on this machine. Alongside Windows Vista. Another partition manager mini tool. VirtualBox. To try other operating systems. And, finally, the system information. We opened that before. Let's check the performance. Open Task Manager. About 40% of RAM. And 60% of CPU. But that's because I'm using screen recorder right now. Let's explore the storage items. I have 500 GB fixed hard disk containing the operating systems, Vista and Ubuntu. And I have 2 TB external hard disk containing my own files. These are the Linux partitions, Home partition, and Swap partition. That's all for this video. I wish you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And consider donating to Moyash on Patreon or PayPal. Thank you for your support. See you next time.